Ready to snag some free money and boost your banking benefits? Today, we're diving into how to expertly utilize the nationwide switch bonus, unlocking the potential for cash rewards and sweet deals. First, let's clarify eligibility. You'll generally need to be a new customer and also ensure that you're switching your current accounts to Nationwide. Visit the Nationwide website or your local branch to check if you meet the specific criteria for the current offer. Things like minimum deposit amounts may apply, so double-check the fine print. Now, let's walk through the switching process. Head online or visit your nearest Nationwide branch. You will need to complete the application process by opening a new current account. During this process, you'll let them know you're participating in the switch bonus and provide all of the necessary documentation, like identification and proof of address. Next, you'll initiate the accounts, which once your new Nationwide account is open, the current accounts, which serve as cash, is used to streamline transferring all of your direct debits, standing orders, and even your salary from your old account to your new Nationwide account. Nationwide will handle this for you, making it hassle-free. This typically takes 7 working days. Finally, you'll receive your bonus once the switch is complete and you've met any specific requirements, such as funding your account with the minimum amount. Nationwide will typically deposit your cash bonus directly into your new account. Be sure to regularly check both your email and your new account transactions. You can also maximize your benefits by exploring the specific features of your new Nationwide account, like their credit and savings accounts. By following these steps, you're well on your way to enjoying the perks of the Nationwide switch bonus. Remember to always read the terms and conditions carefully and take full advantage of this opportunity to benefit from switching your banking to Nationwide. Good luck and happy banking!